If you want Google Chrome to always open in incognito mode on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to change your Chrome shortcut so it launches privately every time you open it. This is super helpful if you want extra privacy or if you just prefer browsing without saving history by default. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure Google Chrome is completely closed. If Chrome is already running, close every window so the shortcut change works properly. Now, find your Google Chrome shortcut. You can use the shortcut on your desktop, the taskbar, or even the start menu as long as you can access its properties. Once you've found it, right-click the Chrome shortcut and select Properties. This opens the Shortcut Settings window where you can edit how Chrome launches. In the Properties window, look for the target box. This is where the file path for Chrome is listed. Go all the way to the end of the text in that box. After the closing quotation mark, add one space, then type 2 hyphens and incognito. It should look something like this: chrome.exe --incognito. The key here is to make sure there is a space before the command, because without that space, the shortcut may not work correctly. This small change tells Chrome to start in incognito mode every single time you use that shortcut. Once you've added the command, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. That's it. Your shortcut is now updated. To test it, double-click the edited shortcut and Chrome should open directly in incognito mode instead of a regular window. If it still opens normally, just go back and make sure the command was typed correctly and saved in the right shortcut. You can repeat the same process for any other Chrome shortcut you use, like the taskbar icon or a desktop icon, so every version opens the way you want. Just remember, this only changes that specific shortcut, not Chrome itself, so any untouched shortcut will still open normally. So now you know how to always open Chrome in incognito mode on Windows using a simple shortcut edit. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference if you want a more private browsing setup. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.